How to make $4,000 over and over again. Do you have $35? Fill out the registration form to get access to 252life.com back office. Log into your back office. Pay the $10 technology fee. Send $25 to participate in the gifting program. Find others to participate to fill level 1. There are 4 levels with 4 different entry points. Level 1 $25, level 2 $75, level 3 $275 and level 4 $1,000. When level 1 is filled you will make $100. You keep $25 and gift $75 to enter level 2. Fill level 2 and make $300. You keep $25 and gift $275 to enter level 3. Fill level 3 and make $1,100. You keep $100 and gift $1,000 to enter level 4. When you enter level 4 you will be gifted $4,000. We can re-enter the system again and again starting with $25. Join 252life today and gift your way up to your first $4,000. The link is below this video in the description.